everybody, welcome back to another episode of Ratchet and Qwark Future of Cracking Time. I'm just going to jump right into it here, because I have limited time to record. I only have 35 minutes, so one episode will be shorter than the other one. What I'm saying is, only two is only clicking, I always record 2 Ratchet and Clank episodes, so either this episode or episode 4 will be shorter. Sadly. Oh jeesh. I forgot that we left off. Alright, let's use our new weapon. One of the best weapons in the game. I have to actually change the camera speed to a little faster. I wouldn't say super fast. I would change to classic Ratchet and Clank. This has the same volume set as the collection. I would change it to, like I said, the frick, what's it called? Oh yeah, I use our new weapon. It's a big burp gun. I would change to the classic Ratchet and Clank, but I don't know. Considering how much of a fan I am of the classic games, I would, but this is my favorite Ratchet and Clank game, and I never played it on classic, so I'm not sure if I would want the classic controls. I don't know, but let's just play the game. Some interesting stuff in here. Oh, my eyes. Shut up. It's so weird hearing him. That just sounds weird hearing him saying that. I don't know why. Hopefully we play as more Ratchet. Because I don't think we're going to play as Clank again right away.
I have a secret passageway that will take you back to the ship.
I don't really care. I've been playing too much Kingdom Hearts. Yeah, I think I'm going to do a LP on Kingdom Hearts after this game. Or oh shoot. Or after Uncharted series. And Uncharted will be after Infamous. And Infamous, hopefully that series does well. I don't think it'll do as well as some of my other series. So far my best series is Tips and Tricks. Well, the first episode did pretty good. I hope the second episode does good too. I did get a couple subscribers actually from that video, which I am happy. Welcome to the family, guys. Yay, level 2. Boop-a-da-boop-a-da-boom. Boom. Oh my, he went flying. I don't know why I laughed. This will obviously be the best time for this one. I'm strafing. No. Jeez, these guys are freaking tough, aren't they? Get out of that Goliath. Get it and call the difference. Okay, I've had enough of these people. Bye-bye. Oh, I should remember the next level. Sucks ass.
In here, quickly.
Okay. That is race.
This is the last shred of technology in the entire village. There was was always meaning to dismantle it, but now I'm glad I didn't. This teleporter will take you back to your ship. Well, follow me.
Teleporter. Oh! Teleporter. I am actually using the volume on. The volume.
Quick! Use this Zoni vessel to repair your starship!
I upgraded a Vorselons. Interplanetary travel. Wasn't a Vorselons always able to do that? Oh no. A Vorselons might have changed now, but she turns back to normal later. What the hell? I didn't know if there was a cut here. Oh my gosh, waking up at freaking 4:30 every morning to record is pretty tough. I woke up late today too.
Qwark, come in. Do you read me?
It's good to hear your voice, Ratchet. They've got us in these containment cells and they're coming with food. Oh, thank heaven, they're coming with tap water? You animals!
Would you just listen to me? I need you to activate the nav beacon on your belt. Can you do that? Good. Now hang tight. I'm on my way.
Alright, so I guess there wasn't a cutscene, but here is something new that has changed probably the whole Ratchet and Clank series in a really great way. You could fly your own ship. There's not really a loading screen. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait till I get new crap, but there's not really a loading screen. You can fly your own ship, which is pretty beast. I thought Square was weird.
Hostile ships detected. Point of origin appears to be the same as Captain Qwark's nav beacon.
Sir, the prisoner has requested to speak with you. He appears to be willing to cooperate. Pass it through. Hey, Mr. Vorselon. My name's Captain Qwark. Maybe you've heard of me. Savior of Solana, number 97 in Kerwan's 100 most eligible bachelors. Anyway, you seem like a reasonable floating head in a tank, so I was wondering if
Because that's what Lord Vorselon is. He's just a floating fish in a tank.
your request has fallen on deaf ears. The only future you may hope for is a quick and merciful death, following hours of unimaginable agony. Huh. So
Let you listen to old One Direction. That sounds so horrible. Let's go. Land. Loading Lord Vorselons ship. Do I have to go to school today? What the heck? It's like I have some weird toenail or fur that's in my toe and it really feels freaking weird. Oh no, it's these headphones. Oh, it loaded. I didn't even realize. I was just looking at it like, duh.
Where are they holding you?
Oh, okay.
it's a big cell with some sort of containment field. It smells like my high school gym locker.
All right. Maintain radio silence. I'll contact you when I'm inside.
Oh, and I gotta pull this thing out. Oh. You lost the thruster. That might not be good. Oh yeah, gravity boots. Forgot to mention those. I'm dragging it away. Bye.
Breach detected in starboard.
Engineer. Screw that. Oh my gosh, why is there freaking laser grids in this weird tube thing? Well, that sucks. He's just doing his job. He came through the elevator all happy. He's like, oh, I love my... Shut up. A lot of grab ramp sections in Lord Vorselons' ship. And I'm not even saying that because we do return here like 2 or 3 times, but there's a lot of these little grab ramp laser survive things. Oh, is that thing still coming? I was worried that thing was still coming. Oh my. I made it to the other side without having to do the whole freaking grab ramp, and I fell off and died. Shut up. Well, that sucks. Alright, let's do this. Let's try this again. Let's do it without getting hit. I believe we can do it.
Hyperspace fuel module released.
Ooh. Okay, I got hit by both of those, I think, last time. Now it fell off right here. Or up there. Well, there's a lot of bolts right here, so I missed the bolts. See? I just made it to the same place. Okay, that was making me dizzy. Why does it always have to show enemies coming in? Oh, they form into a big guy, which kind of makes no sense, but whatever. Power Master Transformers. Or what were those things called? Power Masters? Or some crap like that. Oh my.
Dispatching security team.
Wait, this is your security team? Jeez. Low budget? Okay, this thing isn't upgrading that much as it wasn't. Oh crap. Mr. Zircon now is discount activated. Alright, our new next weapons are the Dynamo of Doom, which is alright. I will get it, and the Tesla spikes, which are pretty cool. And Mr. Zircon. Oh.
Mr. Zircon is the perfect companion for spontaneous treks through hostile alien environments. Uh-oh, looks like these guys are hungry for Lombax soup. Well, not to worry. Just to warn you, Mr. Zircon, you'll target any hostile entity.
Mr. Zircon is looking to kill.
Hey, deal. Mr. Zircon, available only at Grumblenet.
Alright, Mr. Zircon, alright, that's actually all my time. Be sure to leave a... Oh god. Having problems with my throat here. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more anyways. My name is Ethan TV and I'm out.